Your liver's resilience is remarkable, able to regenerate when given the right support. By prioritizing these liver-friendly foods, you can actively contribute to its health, ensuring that it continues to perform its critical functions efficiently. The journey to optimal liver health is not just about incorporating nutritious items, but also about understanding the significance of what to avoid, transforming your dietary habits holistically. As you embrace this lifestyle change, remember that the power to detoxify and restore the liver lies within your choices. Through mindful consumption, your liver will thrive, fortifying your body's defenses against the toxins of modern living. Incorporating these foods into your routine can make a substantial difference in how your liver functions, paving the way for enhanced detoxification and overall wellness. Start by gradually introducing one food at a time, allowing your body to adjust and respond to these beneficial nutrients. For example, aim to prepare a delicious stir-fry featuring cruciferous vegetables paired with garlic and lean protein, creating a flavorful yet liver-supportive dish. Transitioning to herbal teas can also provide a calming ritual while nourishing your liver. As you engage in this journey, be attuned to how your body reacts, noticing increased energy levels and improved digestion as your liver begins to thrive with each meal. In conclusion, the journey towards supporting your liver is a continuous process, one that embraces both nourishment and mindful choices. By integrating a variety of liver-friendly foods into your daily routine, you empower your body to cleanse and rejuvenate itself. Remember, the commitment to your liver health is a testament to your overall well-being, guiding you towards a lifestyle that not only sustains, but nourishes you for a healthier future. Your liver is your body's unsung hero, tirelessly detoxifying the substances you consume every day. By prioritizing nourishing foods and herbs, you equip this vital organ with the tools it needs to perform optimally, ensuring a sustainable balance in your health. Think of each meal as an opportunity, not just for nourishment, but as a commitment to your body's resilience and vitality. Choosing liver-supportive foods means choosing a brighter, healthier future, ready to face the challenges of modern life with strength and vitality. To further enhance your liver health, consider the timing of your meals. Start your day with a refreshing glass of warm water, infused with lemon, to stimulate liver function. This small practice not only hydrates, but also prepares your liver to efficiently process the nutrients you'll consume throughout the day. As lunchtime nears, experiment with salads rich in bitter greens, complemented by a simple dressing of olive oil and vinegar to boost bile production. These choices promote smoother detoxification while ensuring enjoyment in your meals, making a significant impact on your well-being. Additionally, it's essential to remain mindful of portion sizes. Overeating can overwhelm even a healthy liver. As evening approaches, consider enjoying a light dinner filled with grilled fish, paired with steamed cruciferous vegetables, reinforcing your commitment to liver support. While it's important to incorporate these foods, don't forget to sip on detoxifying herbal teas throughout your day. Finally, establishing a consistent routine around sleep is vital. A well-rested body can function more effectively in its recovery processes, especially for your liver. Each element of your daily choices contributes to a robust strategy for vital organ health. By embracing these healthy habits, your liver will thank you with improved vitality and resilience. Consider setting specific goals, such as aiming for at least one serving of each highlighted food each week. This commitment fosters a balanced approach to nutrition while making the process enjoyable. Engaging in meal prepping can help streamline your efforts, allowing you to have healthy options readily available. Over time, you will find that these changes become second nature. The synergy of these nutrient-rich foods can lead not only to enhanced liver health, but also to a more vibrant, energetic you. Stay dedicated and watch as your overall well-being flourishes. As you cultivate these nourishing habits, remember that every choice counts. The path to supporting your liver and overall health is lined with small, intentional actions, each contributing significantly to your well-being. Embrace this journey with determination, and your liver will reward you with restored vitality and clarity.